Hey everyone, so I recently had a problem with my Cardputer that made me very sad because this is one of my favourite devices. It is insanely cool, the form factor, size, everything about it. Like, it's great. M5, you've smashed it. I've seen things recently for the Cardputer Zero that's coming out, and that thing gets me hot under the collar. But until that comes out, I've got this little baby and it's beautiful. But I came across an issue where when I was turning it on, it was flickering. I was having intermittent cutouts, and I thought the battery was kaput. Thankfully, and you see I've got Portram on there. Thankfully, somebody helped me out on Valleytex Discord. So I reached out and to there, put a message on saying I was having an issue with the battery, and a very nice individual, and his name is, I think, is it Pesotti or PES0773, told me what to do. So I was wanted to share that with you guys, that if anyone is having a battery issue, Pesotti or PES0773, help me out, and I want to pass that message on so more people know about it. So what you need to do, turn your device off. You need to hold down both buttons on the top and simultaneously turn it on. So just hold those for a little second. What you'll get is a black screen if you've done it correctly. And then after that black screen is on, just connect your battery up, leave that for a couple of hours to get a decent charge in it, and then once you turn it back on, all things will be right in the world. So again, big shout out to Pesotti for telling me how to do that. I was gutted, and I was also looking for another replacement battery and couldn't find one because they seem to be the weirdest size and shape and everything, but irrelevant, we're all good, it's all safe now. You just turn it off, back on again, and then it's like new. So yeah, anyone having battery issues with the Cardputer ADV, do that fix, let me know it worked well for you too, and happy hunting. Peace.